Hello, Cinnamon. Hello, Cinnamon. Hello. Hello, Pepper. Hello, Pepper. Say good morning, Internet. Good morning, Internet. Good afternoon, actually. It's afternoon. Walking them. Last time during the day. I'll be back at night. Walk him one more time. Huh, buddy? Here, Cinnamon. Hey, Cinnamon. How's it going? How's it going? Yeah. Hey, boys. Yeah, I just finished both of their walks. 3 times they pooped. See that? 3 bags. And this camera died last night. The batteries. So I gotta get new batteries. I guess it had a little bit left because I'm vlogging with it now, but I'll stop vlogging with it now until I get new batteries. We're at Target and we're just getting some last minute clothes. And look what we found. Throw it. Press it. Throw one. Wow. Oh my god, that sounds creepy. Yeah. Oh man, look at my wall. Completely empty. There's no posters, nothing. My closet's empty. Bags are packed. More bags. Just gotta put in this final stuff. I'm ready to go tomorrow. It's crazy. I'm moving away. Oh my god. It's like 1 in the morning right now. I am moving away tomorrow. It's crazy. I have no idea what it's gonna feel like. I am gonna pull an all-nighter tonight with Oscar, and we're gonna watch Game of Thrones all night. And in the morning, I'm gonna finish all of this stuff, and I'm gonna begin my new life, my new adventure. It's crazy. I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, I'm bonding with my brother.